In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable blog comments in Wix. Having comments turned on is a great way to engage with your readers, get feedback, and build a community around your content. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through every click you need to make inside your Wix dashboard so you can decide who can comment and then save your settings properly. First, log into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the site that contains your blog. Once you're in that site's dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Find and click on the section labeled Blog. This is where Wix keeps everything related to your posts, categories, and of course comments. When the blog area opens, you'll see different tabs or options along the top or side, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Comments. This will take you to the main comments management screen, where you can later review, approve, or delete comments from your readers. On this comments page, look for a button or menu labeled More Actions. It's usually somewhere near the top right corner of the comments section. Click on More Actions, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Comment Settings. This is where you control whether comments are enabled and who is allowed to leave them. Inside the comment settings, you'll see an option to toggle comments on or off. If comments are currently disabled, the switch will be off. Click on the toggle to turn comments on. Once it's enabled, your blog post will be able to accept new comments according to the rules you choose next. Now you'll decide who can comment. You'll see an option to allow members only. If you select this, only visitors who are logged in as site members will be able to leave a comment. This is useful if you want more control, to reduce spam, or to encourage people to join your site community. Alternatively, you can choose to allow everyone. Selecting this option means any visitor can leave a comment even if they're not a member. This can increase engagement, but you may want to keep an eye on moderation tools and filters. Once you've chosen the option that works best for your site, make sure you click on Save. This step is important so your new comment settings actually apply to your blog. After saving, you can visit one of your live blog posts to confirm that the comment box appears as expected.